Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable comments to any of your publication in Facebook application. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. Let's get started. First, you're going to open up the Facebook app on your phone. And then when you get to the main page, you'll need to go to your profile. To do that, at the top, click on your image under the word Facebook. That will take you to your profile. And if you scroll through, you can see all of your publications and posts. In order to disable comments, you'll need to first click on the three buttons at the top of your post. Then edit privacy. And then you have to make sure or switch to public. And then you click ready. And then you click on the three dots again. And then you select the section that can comment on this post. If you click on the three dots and you don't see this feature, then you just need to refresh your page a little bit, and then you'll have this feature right away. So, you click who can comment on this post. Then you can choose who you want to do that. For example, if you have public enabled, then absolutely any Facebook user will comment on your post. Next, friends and friends of friends. Then, friends only. The very last one, which I recommend choosing if you don't want anyone to comment on your post. That's the people you mention in the post. After that, you click ready. And this way, no one, or a very limited number of people will be able to comment on your Facebook post. Friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. You have seen how you can disable comments on your post in Facebook app. Please put your likes, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.